feel like breaking rules.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today's video, we're doing a Temu haul. I know it's been a hot minute since we've done one over here. If you follow me on my other channels, this is not something new. Something I love to do once or twice a month is to do a little Temu haul. Today we have a good mix and mingle of everything from Temu. If you are new to Temu, let me just tell you, I've talked about them for years. It's actually an app that you can download. If you want to see things that I've hauled in the past from Temu, I will have a playlist link for you guys down below. When it comes to Temu, Temu is actually an app that you can go ahead and download, and I do have a coupon code. I asked them, hey, can we get a coupon code for everyone, not just new users? And they did. They gave us a coupon code. It's actually a search code, and if you go into the little search bar on your Temu app and you plug in DYG7233, everything is going to pull up for you guys, and you're going to get that $20 off coupon. So everything that I show you in today's video is going to be there in the search code. So I'll pop it up on the screen and you can just use your camera and take a picture of the QR code if that's easier, or like I said, just go ahead and plug it into the search bar, and everything that I'm showing you guys in today's video is going to be linked there with the most current prices. Of course, I will have everything linked and listed for you guys down in the description box too with the current prices, and I'll be popping them up on the screen as well for you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. If you're into Temu hauls, this is going to be the perfect place for you. If you are not, then I don't know why you're here, okay? Because everybody here, we enjoy the Temu. Shout out and thank you to my friends at Temu for sponsoring today's video. If you guys did not know, I absolutely love hair perfumes. I am the type of person that I will literally match my body perfume to my hair perfume. I saw that they had the honey infused hair perfume. I thought I would give it a try. Very cute as far as the glass bottle goes. Oh, that's nice. That is like a nice clean scent. It's really nice and soft too. It's not over the top. A very, very beautiful clean type of scent. And does it have notes? It just says honey infused hair perfume. Put it on clean dry hair, shake well before use. And it actually says it contains honey extract to keep your hair hydrated while leaving your hair with a fresh and sweet fragrance of honey. Here's another little tip that I do. I sleep in a bonnet every single night, and I will actually not only spritz my hair, but I will spritz the inside of my bonnet. So as I'm sleeping for my nice like 7 to 8 hours, my hair is getting infused with a beautiful scent, and it just helps to make your hair smell nice in between hair washing days. All right, next in here, I picked up this Elixir Eau de Perfume. We all know what it looks like. And let me just tell you, I already opened this. This was my daughter's scent for her wedding. When she was getting ready at my house on her wedding day, I had said, go through all of my perfumes, pick whatever one you want, and that is going to be your most memorable scent. Like every time you smell that perfume, you are going to remember your wedding day. And so she went through my perfumes and she had chosen the one that smells like this. I'm telling you, it's spot on. Matter of fact, their first Christmas together, I had gotten her own bottle of this perfume. Not this one, the one that's $130 perfume. Yeah, I'm telling you, when I say this smells spot on, I'll pop up the picture. What is a spot on scent of? This is going to be a perfect fall winter perfume. It's warm, it has a musk to it, and it has a very like bougie, mature, sophisticated scent. And I was blown away that this smells so spot on, to the point that I'm like, okay, I need to pick up more of these scents from Temu. I'll have it linked for you guys. Oh, it does. Top notes are vanilla, orchid, brown sugar, and jasmine. And I'm telling you, it is spot on. The Kayali, I forget which one it's called. It's the gold bottle. I'm popping it up for you guys. Spot on. Like, boggles my brain how spot on that is. All right, next in here, I always stock up on the sponges from Temu. You just can't get enough of their sponges. And there's two different kinds that I like. I get this one and the one that looks like Scrub Daddy. These are just, they're perfect and they're inexpensive, so why would you not? Next in here, I did find some of their purple double effect light transparent loose powder. And it says it's like a pressed powder, and I thought it was a loose powder too. They had different shades. Is it pressed up top and then loose? Yeah. So it's pressed up top. Oh, that feels amazing. Oh, I love it already. It's like a micro fine feeling powder. And then it is a loose powder on the bottom. For me, I'm just not a huge fan of a majority of the pink powders. I really love a lavender purpley colored powder on my skin tone. I oxidize everything, and I feel like even a pink powder, my skin will oxidize it and make it look so much darker underneath my eyes, where I feel like for some reason lavender powders do not do that. And you guys know I have fallen in love with Temu's powder. Like, you guys remember this one? That is like the closest I can get to a pink powder that I will not oxidize. This is also from Temu. I keep a ton of these in stock because I love them so much. But because I love purple powders, I wanted to try this out, and I got 2 of them. Because I had high hopes, you know, why not? Picked up the Blur Magnet Primer. Let me show you what it looks like. If you know, you know, okay? This is like some of the best primer for pore filling. I want to give it a fair shot. Okay, I'm going to go like where my wrinkles are. See if that helps to fill anything. We're just going to do a dab. I don't really know if we're going to see much. I feel like this is definitely something I'm definitely going to have to try on. Okay, so maybe it kind of matted down a little bit and did slightly smooth out the wrinkles on my wrist. Again, I'm going to have to use it on my face and take it from there, but I thought I'd try it. It was really inexpensive. Next, I picked up the nude liners, and this is the brand, and it came with a few of them. Actually, it came with a lot of them in here, and it's all the nude shades. Let's pick this one out because it kind of looks like the medium 2 from Charlotte Tilbury LA. So it is a pencil that you will have to sharpen. It's not a gel base, but it's like your basic type of lip liner. I don't think that that's bad. And I like the color. So it does kind of wear off, but again, I mean, for the price, I didn't think it was that bad. But you do get a total of 12 nude colored lip liners, and that's the shades that we're seeing. And I felt like based off the one lid that I took off, it did seem like it was pretty spot on. If you don't know, I love good Temu clothes and Temu shoes. So let me show you the Temu shoes that I picked out. These are going to be like a second pair that I have. I have them in like a cream color. These are so freaking nice. I love them. They are perfect for the fall. Look how stylish they are. I absolutely love them. They are 100% true to size, and I got mine in a size 40. And for me, this is adjustable too. This fits perfectly. I normally wear a 7.5 to an 8, and I actually, because of you guys over on my fashion channel, you guys had told me that they make like little spongy things that you can put in the tips of the toes in case they are a little too long, and I picked those up. And in case I end up getting the wrong size or they might be a little too big, I just put those in there and it's perfect. Nice and comfortable. I love that it's a smaller heel. These are so freaking adorable. They come in other colors. Like I said, I have them in like a creamy white, off-white shade, and then I wanted it more in a nude. These are going to be a staple shoe, especially for spring, summer, and fall. And you can't beat the price. We're talking like Payless shoe prices, which I love. That just means more bang for the buck. Alright, when I was talking about the other sponges, well, I guess they're called the Scrub Mommy or the Scrub Daddy or whatever. That's what I feel like these are like, and I love them. We have them in our camper, we have them here, and they're great for the bathroom, the kitchen, what have you. Can't beat the deal when it comes to the sponges. Like, just go ahead and stock up. I know some of you guys that do house cleaning always pick up the sponges from Temu. You know it's a good deal. Alright, I did get another pair of shoes. These are in a 39. The new pair was in a 40, by the way. These are like a cute little pair of Mary Janes, and I thought they'd be perfect for the fall. I thought that my youngest would really like them. My youngest loves to wear Mary Janes. These are what you guys have told me is like the dancer style clips, so you don't have to sit and fiddle with the buckle. They just kind of clip right in there and you don't have to worry about it, which honestly I love. So it is adjustable though if you do need a shorter length right through here. But I love the heel on them. They're really nice and lightweight, which I think my kiddo is going to appreciate because my kiddo's Doc Martens are like dumb heavy. And these are nice and light, perfect for the winter time too because they have that suede look to them. As far as the 39 goes, oh yeah, very much true to size. These are so freaking cute. I love them. Okay, so I may snatch them from my kid. So cute. So inexpensive. Like I said, you can't beat it. All right, next in here, I thought this would be really good for a stocking stuffer too. But my kids use the little pimple patches. So here's the little case of the pimple patches. And then when you open it up, it's got like a cute little flower design. They had different ones, different colors too. But how cute is this? You guys know, and it has a mirror in here too. So it's a perfect little travel case. But you guys know that when it comes to gifting and stuff, I get a ton of my stocking stuffers and everything from Temu, things for the Easter basket. Like, I don't care that my children are all adults. I still give them Easter baskets. Like, let me know in the comment section, do you guys still get your kids Easter baskets? Absolutely. You know what I also do? I still have Santa Claus show up at my house. I did get a few items of clothing and more shoes. This, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got this adorable freaking sweater. It's kind of like a nice like knitted style sweater and I am loving the bottom. How cute is that? It's kind of giving me like very much Southern boutique vibes for sure. And I love that. This is going to be perfect to wear with some crop denim or a nice like wide leg denim. You're going to be able to wear this with shorts too. But this is something that you could easily wear a little tank with it, or for the summertime or going into fall, put a little long sleeve with it. I love this so freaking much. This is so cute. As far as the size goes, I did get it in a size small. And it is so nice and so soft. If you guys didn't know, I do have sensory processing disorder. So I will over-explain fabric if you follow me on my fashion channel. This fabric is so nice and so soft. Look how vibrant the colors are. That is just stunning. I love this. This is definitely a boutique style sweater. Definitely check this out. All right, I did get another pair of shoes in a size 39. I got the tan version of the Mary Janes. I love them. Oh my goodness. These are so perfect for the fall. Heck, how cute would that be? With a pair of denim? Absolutely. Absolutely. So fun. So cute. Like I said, I had my youngest in mind when I was picking these out. But I will definitely wear these too. I think these would be absolutely stunning with a pair of jeans or a cute little denim dress or something. I love them. Last pair of shoes. I got these in a size 39. Now these are not as nice as the other pair of shoes, to be 100, just quality wise, but they're still like shoes that I could wear and get away with like a pair of, you know what I'm thinking? I love having these like all black lounge sets. I feel like that would be cute, or just like a black turtleneck style top with a pair of denim and then these shoes as like the accent razzle dazzle. So you can see the quality is not up to like this kind of quality, whatever. Nice and light, nice and lightweight and everything. Cute. Let's see, let's try them on. I think they're really nice and cute. I will still be wearing them. Oh yeah. Honestly, they look good on too. Like, you can't beat that. That is really cute, and they're comfortable. And this part is adjustable. Actually, the sole is nice and cozy too. I like that. Okay, so you know what? Ignore everything I said, because once I put them on my feet, I think it was because they were just smashed in the bag, it made it look worse than it is. Because once it's on the feet, it's actually a really cute little shoe. I always get their garbage bags. I do a lot of Instacarting from like Costco and Sam's. So you only get boxes. You don't really get like the Kroger bags and the Publix bags and stuff. So I buy these from Temu. You get a ton of them. Matter of fact, this comes with 100. Have a lavender scent. I love these bags for the garbage cans, which I know sounds silly, but the reason I really like these particular ones is because they have like a little bit of a lining right here, and you can pull it and then it cinches it closed. So that way it's like a little bit heavier up top and it's easier for the garbage can. I know that sounds really corny, but trust me. And then once you're done, you can just boop, and seal it shut. So anyways, they hold a lot. We take them on the boat too, and then that way, because they have this, it makes it easier to attach to the boat so nothing goes flying. It's a good size. It's perfect for your bathroom trash can. It's good for when you're traveling. And I feel like they're a sturdier bag. I don't find that I have issues with them breaking like some of the other ones that I've picked up in the past. This style is definitely my favorite, and for the price, you just can't beat it. Another thing that I picked up is I only use, my bonnet is satin, my hair ties are satin, and they had this 20 pack of satin hair ties. And this would again make a wonderful gift or stocking stuffer. I went with the nude shades. You could all pick out like different shades. I think they had like pastels and stuff. It does have like a little plastic piece right here. I don't think I'm having any issues whatsoever with that. What I do is I put my hair in a ponytail and then I braid it a lot of times, especially when I'm working out, so my ponytail doesn't tangle up, and I love having these on hand. They're great. They make a great gift, and I'm telling you, you could get a few of them, get some of their cute little drinking mugs, put them in there. There's so many different gifty things that you can find on Temu. Last but not least, I did find this little two-piece set that was very much giving me Madewell vibes. I did get it in a size small. It's a two-piece set, and I felt like it would be kind of cute to wear as like a lounge set. Maybe you could do pajamas. Maybe you could even wear it out and about. And then it has the little hands. I thought it was kind of cutesy, and it does have pockets. It's a nice lightweight kind of material. Like I said, it does have pockets, and it is more of a wide leg style, which I absolutely love. But how cute is that? I just think this is such a fun little outfit. I mean, maybe pairing it with a cute pair of flats or a cute little pair of tiny, like the smaller platform size tennis shoes. That could be kind of cute with it. So anyways, I don't know, we'll see, but either way, I love that it's like a lightweight kind of linen feel to it. I love the baby blue color. I am absolutely in love with this boutique style sweater. Like, don't be sleeping on this. This is precious. Anyways, friends, that is everything for today's huge Temu haul. Come back, stick around, subscribe, because I am going to be testing out and trying out the powders, the primer, the lip liners. So definitely come back, stick around for those. Don't forget, you are going to get that $20 off coupon. Just go into the search bar and plug in DYG7233. That is going to get you the $20 off coupon by searching my code DYG7233. And of course, I'm going to pop the QR code back on the screen for you guys. That will take you right to everything that I showed you in today's video, along with getting that $20 off coupon code. So shout out and thank you to Temu for working with your girl in today's video. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And of course, let me know what was your favorite thing in today's haul. I will tell you the standout product for me personally in today's video, hands down, has to be this perfume. I have gotten a lot of perfumes from Temu. I have gotten one that is like the Glossier, and it's spot on. This one is spot on the Kayali. Like, don't sleep on these perfumes. They last and they smell identical. So this would make an excellent gift as well. I am going to make sure to go back and pick up other scents for you guys so I can compare them, because I have a ton of Kayali perfumes. I am a perfumeaholic. I love me perfumes. So I will go back, I will pick up more, I will report back to you all. So let me know, did you pick anything up from today's haul? Do you plan to? Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
With you I feel like breaking rules, on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing